since we're replacing the exhaust, why don't we do a comparison test to see what's going on? Because it has a big, huge hole in the bottom of it. We'll see when we pull it off. So here is the replacement exhaust. Here's the old exhaust. This is a cheap one, or not even a cheap one really, is $600 from Rock Auto. And it's only about 2 years old, this exhaust. And look, there you go. Look, isn't that great? Good quality product there. Thumbs down on that. Alright, so over here we got an AWE fully stainless steel exhaust touring edition for VW Mark V 2.5 liter Volkswagen. And it has the rear muffler. It comes up, got a middle muffler, and then a resonator right here. And then it came with fancy chrome tips. Look at those suckers, huh? It's gonna make my POS look really sweet. Even came with a lollipop. So I had to go to a dealer and buy a new front exhaust clamp because I thought I used it excuse me, on the last exhaust when I put this one on, but it had just a regular clamp on the front, so I must have threw out the old one, the original one. So I had to go to the dealer and buy a new one of those. Came with that, and it comes with some of the clamps just for the pipe, but not for where it connects to your catalytic converter. So there's the exhaust tips, and there's the new stainless steel, and it is lifetime replacement too on that. So it's full stainless steel. So of course not sponsored whatsoever, but it looked like a nice exhaust, and has two mufflers, looks good, so it's good. So what the heck, what am I babbling about? Let's get this sucker put in. Alright, so we got the exhaust in. There's the front with the original Volkswagen clamp over there. And that's where the catalytic Alright, so the Mark V is all done. We got the exhaust on. I also changed the windshield washer pump. It was dead. So that's been a few years that's been broken. So it's nice to have actually windshield washers again. So thank you for liking, following, and subscribing. And thank you for watching the vlog. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Remember, stay awesome.